Today I'm going to be showing you how I harvested Swiss chard from the garden and turned it into this delicious, beautiful pasta dish. In case you don't know me, my name is Phil and I do a garden to table every week describing the way I harvest something and turn it into a meal. So please be sure to subscribe. Today I'm cooking in the outdoor kitchen again, and I've got some fresh Swiss chard and onion that's been curing, and I'm going to combine them with pasta and make a dish today. The first thing I'm going to do, I already cooked some pasta, so I'm going to put that in the baking dish. And then next, I'm going to be cutting the onion. First, I've got to trim it. This one's not freshly picked, it's just curing. So I brought the compost over here, and I'm just going to trim it first. And I put all these trimmings into the compost to make soil. Okay, now I've got it chopped up, and I'm going to add the olive oil. And I'm going to cook this until they're soft. But in the meantime, I can go ahead and get the Swiss chard ready. To prepare the Swiss chard, I'm going to remove the stems. And next week, I'm going to show you a recipe that I can use these stems for. So I'm cutting these up to, each one of them should be 1 inch. It's about this size, just chopped up. And once I get them all chopped up, I'll add it to the onions. See how it's wilted? It is complete, and then we're ready to put this in with the casserole. And I just kind of mix it in. You want to make sure that your oven or toaster oven, I use my toaster oven a lot when I'm making meals for two. Make sure it's set to 350 and it's preheating. Next step will be the cheese. I've got some mozzarella cheese I'm putting in. I'm only going to use half of a cup, and I'm going to save the rest for last. And then I've got this Gruyere cheese that I'm putting in, and I'm going to mix that up a little bit, and then I'm going to add some milk. Oh, and some fresh pepper. And then what I do is I just mix it up right in the dish. That way you don't have to do so many dishes. So now I've got it all mixed up. It's real pretty to look at. Everything's just mixed up. And before I put it in the oven, I'm going to just spread some mozzarella on top, about half of a cup. And now it's ready to put in the oven.